Wagwan family. So today, may I share with you now how I make my chicken box soup with red peas. Yeah man, first I wash the peas and add it to my pot. On the stove, my pot have 8 cups of water. So I just add the peas, pimento, garlic. Cover it, allow it to cook. This is the chicken back I'm using. This chicken back, I already take the skin off and clean it. I just need to scrape off the fat. Those little white fat you see on the chicken back, I just need to take that off. So I just scrape it off like just like this. Now I wash it with fresh lime and some salt. Now the peas them almost cooked, so it's time for me to add the chicken back. So I add the chicken back, cover up the pot. Now I'm peeling my carrot to dice. I'm dicing the carrot just like that. Now I'm peeling the sweet potato. Dice it up, nothing too pretty. Now I'm peeling my Irish potato and dice it up also, just like that. Now I'm peeling the Cho Cho and I'm dicing the Cho Cho also. Nothing too pretty, just dice it up just like this. Now I'm peeling the Coco. So now I'm dicing up the Coco also, just like that. So I'm dicing up the pumpkin. I don't peel the skin off the pumpkin, I just cut it and wash it just like that. Now I'm cutting the corn. So now I wash them before me add them to the pot. So I'm just going to add all of it in the pot at once, just like that. Now I'm going to give it a stir and then I'm going to cover it up. Now I'm making my dumplings. So I'm using 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/3 cup of refined cornmeal, half teaspoon of salt. Here I'm using room temperature water. So I just add the water a little by little to form the dough for the dumplings. So you just want to take your time and add the water to form the dough. If you add too much water, your dough gonna come too soft and you can't make a perfect dumpling with the soft dough. So I just pinch off a little piece and I just rotate it running my hand with it, just like that, to form the dumpling. So I use my hand and I just squeeze in the middle. And that's why I make my dumplings. Perfect. I don't make big dumplings, my people. Just like that. And I'm just going to continue till I finish all of it. Yeah, you don't want nothing more than that. So as I say, you pinch it off and you rotate it. Bring the dough in a circle. Just like that. In a circle. Then you press it in. You press out the air out of it. Alright, my people. This is it. So I'm just go continue and make all of the dumplings. Now I'm going to add them to the pot. Give it a stir. Cover it up back. Now I'm going to open it and add my coconut milk. And this is 2 cups of coconut milk. Then I'm adding my chicken noodle, and this is grease chicken noodle. The chicken noodle. You wanna make sure you stir it properly when you add the chicken noodle, okay? Now I'm going to taste it if I should add some more sodium to it. And I need some more sodium, so I add some of my all-purpose seasoning. Give it a stir. Now I'm going to add 1 pepper, scallion, and thyme. Now I'm going to cover the pot and allow it to cook for 15 minutes now. So after 15 minutes the pot cooks, so I just need to share me a bowl. And look at that, my people. Rich and nice, eh? Look at that. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe for more